Hello everyone, my name is Sung, and this is the spot where my all leftover plants from the red and blue pots gonna stay. Here. Oh look what I found. Look at this. Oh, I have one more. Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. Look at this. So I'm gonna put them back. I'm not gonna touch it. Wow, this is unbelievable. Oh, I have one more. 3 in total. Wow, this is amazing. So I'm gonna use this spot, small spot, to use my leftover plants. Here. This one, I think this one, since it has this root system already, it's gonna do okay. This is a beautiful place next to the boulders. Looks really elegant, really good. This one is Fredive. Look. Looks terrible, but I'm sure it's gonna do okay. Like this sedum that I cut yesterday for the pot, but I didn't get to use it, so it's staying here. My jelly bean here. This sedum also here. Mardi Gras. It looks terrible. Doesn't have the root system. Let me see if it's rotting or not. No, looking healthy. So yeah, it's gonna maybe here. Yeah, why not? And this one, maybe also here. I got to use all these plants from the blue pot and the red one. I did not waste any of this. Look at this. Yeah. So I'm done. Looks cute. And you know what? I decided to move the big blue pot. Yes, my pot is here, protected from the rain, with the other 2 small ones over there. So they wanna stay here until the rain is gone. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.